whip, bought it, crib, got it, job, on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go?
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this hairstyle. Love doing quick weaves. It is very easy, very efficient, very quick. That's why it's called like a quick weave. So if you would like to see a tutorial on how to achieve this hairstyle, just keep watching. Before we get into this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you can see more videos of me. Hey y'all, so excuse me if I'm talking a little funny. I just got my wisdom teeth out a few days ago, but I wanted to get this video out to y'all. So first we're gonna start with some freshly washed hair. Braid y'all hair down. Y'all know how to part it out. Like part it out as if you're getting a sew-in. You'll need 2 of these black caps just for extra protection for your head. You will also need this white pencil or any kind of marker, anything just to trace out where your leave out will be, so you know where to glue your tracks at.
So won't you say my name, if you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady, you ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, really wanna give you.
Here I am just filling for my part and filling for my braids, doing the same thing I did on the other side, tracing out so I know where to glue those tracks once I start. Next, you want to grab this protective shield. You can get this from the hair store. I got everything from the hair store that's in this video. And you want to put that all over your wig cap and make sure you have something to spread it out evenly so it is all over so it can protect your hair. After you have covered the whole cap, you want to make sure it is dry. You can use your blow dryer. I forgot to record a clip of me doing it, but I made sure it was all dry before I started adding my tracks. You want to make sure you have some hair glue. You can get this from the hair store as well, and I'm using old bundles that I had from my old quick weave, which is why they're already cut, but you'll see that I'm still measuring it out just so it fits on the cap properly. So once you get that first track down, it is repetitive after this. So you'll just keep doing the same thing, laying those tracks down. And I use the blow dryer just to reinforce and make sure it is 100% dry before I go on to the next row. So like I said, you're going to just keep doing the same thing, measuring those tracks out and gluing them down onto the cap. So I'll just let you watch while I finish the rest of my head.
Won't let it go to my head. All I care about is that bread. All I care about is that cheddar. All of the things that you said. Won't let it go to my head. All of the things that you said. Won't let it go to my head. All of the things that you said. All I care about is that bread. All I care about is that bread. All I care about is that cheddar. All of the things that you said. Won't let it go to my head. I got the bread. She wanna hop in the wheel. I told her to hop in the bed. Never misled. She wanna smoke on the power. Y'all know she been through a lot, and I got the drive. Whether I win or I lose, I hit you with all that I got. All that I got. Had all the packs in the tools. Sorry, I'm tryna be somewhere you're not. Look back and they told me to stop. Now I hear drop it, bro. You hot. You blew the money, you fool. You had to look cool, solidify cruise spots. Ain't never cared about rules with dangerous dudes, finessing in cool spots. Plot on the four, we been racking up. It's not my fault, you ain't packing enough. Gave him the gas, like that's enough. I gotta win, you know that's a must. Left like your nasty ain't stacking up. I think you been on my get enough. Soon it be plenty of money, them checks in the bags coming plenty. So all of the things that you said, won't let it go to my head. All of the things that you said, won't let it go to my head. All of the things that you said.
I wanted some color in my head, so I just got this pack of synthetic hair. I should have got a real bundle because y'all will see in the end it ended up not like curling properly or taking heat properly. So got this from the hair store. It was about $10. It's the model brand 613, and just pop this track in there just for a little bit of color, a little bit of highlight.
your body's that cheddar.
And back to regular program now. When you get to the top, you want to make sure you're gluing those tracks at like a curved angle, just so it falls in place better, and it just lays better when you do it like this. I wish I would have did a little bit more of a curve, like even more, like curved all the way up, just because it just looks way better like that. But this time, I guess I thought I had curved it enough, but I didn't. So when you get to the top, just make sure that you're curving the end of those tracks up to meet the corners of your leave out. Now we are all done with the hard part, so I'm just going through with the blow dryer, making sure everything is dry, making sure those tracks are staying on the cap, and then I'm going through also, because my bundles are wet, going through and just blow drying them, because I plan on curling them in a few. Once to cut in a cap, you want to be very careful here, because you can easily cut your hair off. Make sure you have small scissors, not like any big bulky gigantic scissors, because you're gonna regret it. So get some small scissors, take your time, and just cut off that cap, excess parts of the cap. Now for leave out on this 4C hair, I got this trick from TikTok, but basically I just lathered my hair in mousse, well, parted the middle part and then lathered my hair in mousse, put this tight cap on and blow dried it down all the way until it was fully dry. And here you see where it's fully dry. Then I applied that wax stick, and you got to do this when you got 4C hair, so my 4C girlies know. Apply that wax stick to the ends and the roots and everything, and just run the hot comb through it first, and then we're going to go through and flat iron it, just so we don't have to keep running that flat iron through and through. So this is definitely the next day after work, but let's get started on curling this hair. I don't really know how to curl hair that well, so don't take any curling tips from me, but it was pretty easy. This curling iron does not have a heat setting, which kind of gave me trouble when I was curling the synthetic hair, but you'll see. So you will see here that 613 hair was not curling. Maybe if I would have turned the flat iron down, the curling iron down a little bit more, but like I said, it doesn't have a heat setting. It literally just has an on and off button. I don't know, but I ended up curling them up, pin curl everything up, and they turned out kind of cute at the end, but y'all gonna see.
I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just want to send me automatic with a drop. Ask me if I'm finished now. I just begun. I ain't giving out no nutty to no nigga just for fun. No, you don't.
So this is the final look. I love it. Let me know what you guys think down below. I've never did 613 highlights before, especially on a quick weave. So I wanted to try something different, and it actually turned out pretty cute. I'm feeling myself a little bit. Curls just touch right. I was going to do crimps. I wanted to do crimps, but the curls look way better. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to comment down below and let me know. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you can see more videos of me.